Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Today is a special edition. I received my add-ons today from BoxyCharm, so I want to share them with you. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, please stay tuned. Okay, my wildflowers, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I received actually all of my add-ons from BoxyCharm, and it's different from IPSY, where I realized IPSY actually sends it with your order and BoxyCharm sends it separately. And so I had forgotten what I really ordered because it was between the boxes and the your choice now lays on the same day as your add-on. So you sometimes, even though you get it in your box, you may end up ordering it and having extras, which is okay because I did intend on ordering some extras, but I don't know what happened because I got two of some of the things, and they're not things that's easily like I could give away to just anybody. And I'll tell you what those are in a moment, okay? So let's start off. Okay, the first thing is the Becca, and this is the quad lipstick, or I guess it's lip gloss. And so this is actually the holiday box, I believe. And according to the box, it does say the cost is $29, but the value is actually $44. So, but I didn't at all pay $29 for this. Believe me, I think I paid like maybe 10, maybe not. And so this was really a good deal. Okay, the next one, which it seems like I ended up ordering multiples. I think what happened was I actually put it in the cart one time, and then I took a break, and then when I came back, I didn't realize that those things stayed in the cart, and I ordered another one, didn't really pay attention, but the whole total of my cart was only like $54. So it didn't seem like really, out of the ordinary. So anyway, the first duplicate I received was the Voyager. This is actually by Zoeva and Zoeva. God, I can't talk today, sorry. And what it is Silica, that scared me. I'm like, what is that? What this is actually a travel brush set. And this actually, I'll be happy to give this away at our next at the next giveaway, which will be coming up, and it'll be open for international people. So as you notice, these are all your essentials. This is actually very nice set, and it says Zoeva right on it, and it comes with a little bag where you just stick it back into the bag here, and then you close it back up, and it secures with this little elastic, and it says Zoeva right on it. And so I ended up getting two. Yeah, so that's okay, that's okay. And then the next multiple that I received is another brush set. You remember this, right? This is actually the Luxie, and I got two of these too, and I think I'm going to go ahead and save one of these for the future giveaways. I definitely am going to save one of them for future giveaway and send the other one to my daughter or something. And so here they are. They're the 5-piece, and they're the beautiful color one, which is Periwinkle. At the time I did the last video, couldn't think of the color. Now I know. Periwinkle. I love the sound of that. Anyway, and with the rose gold. So I will go ahead and put one of these aside actually for the giveaway. And I'm not sure if it's going to be the next giveaway because I want to go ahead and give the Zoeva one with the, God, that's a lot of noise, sorry, with the travel. Okay, so that's that. Oh, never mind. I got 3 of them. How did that happen? That's really weird. Okay. Okay, and the next thing that I ended up getting 2 of, this is what I mean. I just cannot give these away because this is a foundation. And unless you have my skin tone, which is medium, medium neutral, I have neutral undertones, I mean, it's not going to work for you. So it's not like I can throw it into any giveaway. Even my daughter has a different skin tone. She's lighter than I am. So, and beautiful. It's this beautiful color. Beautiful color. And so I'm definitely keeping one. I'll have to figure out, maybe I'll like it enough where, once I run out of one, then I'll use the other one. Don't know yet how that's going to work out. And the next one that I received two of, again, more brushes. It's like, how the heck? You know, I must not have been paying attention. And this is the Moda Pro brushes, and I like these. I will definitely keep one of them because that was my intention. I did get the second one, and it'll go into the, you know, what do I always want to say? Go away box. Like, go away now. The giveaway box for the future. So I have so much now, so I'm gonna have to start doing maybe more than one, you know, one a month, maybe a pop-up. Yeah, that's what I'll do, a surprise pop-up giveaway. I'm not gonna tell anybody it's gonna happen. You have 24 hours and do this and then you win. I don't know, I'll think of something. Okay, and this one I only did get one, so this must have been, I must have picked this after I waited, and then I kind of got back on a, you know, picked up where I left off, and I ordered this one because it seems like all of the ones that I got a duplicate of is the one that I initially put it in the basket, and then I got a phone call, and then so I had to pick that up, and then went back in, and I didn't know it would stay, and it was there. Okay, and then the next one is this is the cute little, can you open it? Oh yeah, Hip Dot sponges. And there's a big one and there's a little one. I really want to try this because I guess once you wet it, it changes colors or something like that. Or it changes color at one point, I guess when it's time to throw it away maybe. So I'll let you know about that. Okay, and this is the Natasha Denona foundation. Actually, I got two of those too, and I already used it, and this is what I'm wearing now. Oh my god, I mean, she has not done anything wrong, and this is such a great foundation. And again, it's medium, so here it is, and it's actually one of those pumps. And here, I'll show you the one I used today. It's like this, and it comes like that. And then the thing is, when I initially squeezed it onto my hand to go ahead and use it, it felt really like liquidy. Look, even starts to run, kind of, sort of, if you can see that. But I'm telling you, this is such a beautiful tone shade, and it's just so nice. And I mean, it just makes my complexion seem really flawless. So I ended up ordering two of those, but I have a feeling because this is not that big that I'm gonna go through it. It's okay, I don't mind about that. What I do mind about is I got two of the Natasha Denona concealer. I'm using that concealer too, but the only thing is I don't like it that much because they dry super quick. And it's like this, and what happens is that I actually go dot 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 dot. By the time I worked this one, went to this side, it was dry and it left the dots. I'm like, oh my god. And then I had to really work it and actually put a little bit of foundation over it because it dried that quick. I'm like, oh my god. And so I think this is something that I would use when I'm not using foundation, but I really don't like it because of the drying time is so fast and it doesn't give you enough time. So I will have to kind of figure it out and say dot dot dot, work it, then dot dot dot, and work it to come up with the system. So that's that. And the other thing here is the Marc Jacobs. This I think is a lip tint. I have not opened these things, so only looked at a couple of things. And okay, yep. Oh no, wait, is this eyes or lips? Lip lacquer, yep. Wow, this is like really, do you see that? It's like cool, right? I don't want to swatch it because I don't know when I have so much of the stuff, the lip lacquer and things, that I don't know when I'm gonna use it, and I don't want it to start expiring. So that's that. And next is the Fenty brushes. That's weird. One is come with a plastic and the other one doesn't. And I didn't open it, so that's weird. So there are two different brushes. One is actually a contour, not contour, a concealer brush. And the other one is a packing brush for eyes. This one's still wrapped, so I'm going to leave it. Oh, yeah. See? Comes like this. Very nice. Comes like that. It's very nice. And those are two brushes that I use a lot. That's why I got them. Something that I can destroy. And then again, I got two of these. And one of them is going into the giveaway, and it is by Huda Beauty, and it's actually so beautiful though, but I can't use two of them. One is a matte eyeshadow. The other one is a like a metallic dual tone eyeshadow. And so this is going to be very beautiful, especially to add to like something like this, right? And so it'll be really nice. Oh, and by the way, what I'm wearing is Bejeweled by Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, and also before I continue, Dana Jetton, thank you so much for letting me know about the mink lashes. And I don't have mink lashes, and I thought it might be mink, but matter of fact, mine are synthetic, and I'm so glad, because after you told me about mink farming and about what those poor little animals go through, because I was totally under the impression that, you know, they comb the, you know, every so often they comb them and get the hair. And apparently I did, after you gave me that warning, I did do a little research, and you are 100% correct. I mean, you can't, I mean, there are places that may do it that way, but you don't know who does it that way and who doesn't. I can't say for sure, but I don't want to take the chance. And you are absolutely correct. I do not support any kind of animal cruelty. I am a totally an animal lover. I mean, I have two hairless cats. I've always had dogs my whole life. I've had a albino skunk in my life. So, I mean, I love animals and I support them. And so, Dana, I just want to call you out to say thank you so much for, you know, bringing that to light. And I in no way will support any brand that intentionally harms animals, including animal testing. So, thank you. Okay, now, that was my commercial break. Here we go. Okay, the other thing there's only three more things. So this is by Natasha Denona again. I mean, there was a lot of Natasha Denona things in the add-on, and I'm so happy about that because she just has such great things. This one, I don't know how much I'm going to get use out of it, but I'm definitely going to try, because gold, as I said many times in my videos, is not my color. But I think in highlighter and like you know, for eyeshadows, I think I'm okay. But this is what this is this is beautiful packaging. That's what that is. But look at that, right? It's beautiful gold. This is the highlighter, as well as, I mean, you can use her stuff for anything. I can totally use this as an like an eyeshadow. And so I just really love the pigments in her stuff. And let me see, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll do this. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it a little bit. And okay, I didn't swatch that one very well, did I? Whoops. Okay, so there you go. Can you see that one? Let me close this. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah, beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. And if you guys get BoxyCharm, really you should, and you don't look into add-ons, you should really do that because you get such great deals. And yeah, so, and if you don't, and if you not a member or not a, I guess, a customer of BoxyCharm, I'll leave a link down below so you can sign up if you like and try, give it a try. You don't have to do it for the whole year. You can do it for the month. So yeah, it's fun. And the next one, oops, I opened it already, is by Becca. And I think I showed you my little flying saucer in my miniature video. If you saw the miniature video, do you remember that? It's a big one of those. And so this one here is like a bigger flying saucer. Okay, and so what this is though is it's a summer edition, but like I said, summer's gonna come again. It's not like summer is gone and it's never coming back. And so look at this. This is like a bronzer, and it's beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and save this for the summer. And you know, this is going to stay good. It's powder. And I'm not going to use it till then. So it's not going to start, the clock's not going to start ticking. And then the last thing, okay, it is the last thing. The last thing that I got is by Too Faced. And like I said, all of the things you just saw me bring out, it was like $58 for this, everything you just saw. This is the reason why when I order a duplicate of things, it didn't occur to me that I got duplicates. Because, you know, you go to Sephora, you go to Ulta, you pay $58 for one palette. So I didn't really go, oh, hey, hello. So I ended up with two of some of the things, but that's okay. That's okay because, you know, I can always gift it. And now what this is, a lot of people say, oh, is that an eyeshadow? No. But look at this. So beautiful. I love this. Aesthetics. I likes it. Anyway, so what this is a face, it says it's a face wet to dry face and eye palette. Oh, this is so beautiful. In other words, you can use it for your face or your eyes. And you can use it dry or you can use it wet. And that's why it intrigued me. Now, why didn't I order 2 of these, you know? So it really intrigued me. So I gone ahead and ordered this, and it was a great price. So can't beat it. So that's that. And so that's it, guys. That is my add-ons for October. And if you have any comments or if you have any questions at all, please leave them below, and I'll be happy to answer them as soon as I can. And I know sometimes you guys ask me a question in the morning. I don't get to you until the late in the evening because I still have my day job. And so I try to do my best during lunchtime, but it may take me a little time to answer you. But I do read all of my questions, comments, all that. And so please feel free to leave them anytime. And also, if you see something like Dana noticed that, you know, I may not have that information, please put it out there for me. I mean, I will not be offended. I mean, I am all for learning, and I love to learn. And so I think that's it. So if I added any value, please hit like, please. And if you're not a subscriber yet, welcome. If this is your first video, it's a little late in the game, but welcome anyway. Please do subscribe. And so I think that's it, and we're getting close to the weekend. At least it is Thursday when I'm recording this. So I will let you guys go. Have a great day, great weekend, and remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.